morning everyone, my name is Nilanshi from BSc Chemistry Honors Final Year. Today the aim of our experiment is to separate the green leaf pigment by thin layer chromatography and to determine the RF value.
First of all, here we are preparing the slurry of adsorbent by adding 30 gram of silica gel in small loads with constant stirring into 100 ml of chloroform. Then here we are stirring it with the stirrer. And as I have said earlier, we are adding chloroform in small lots so that our slurry should be prepared very well. Now we are taking a clean glass plate and dip that plate in the slurry of adsorbent. So by this procedure, our TLC plate is ready. And we are preparing 2 to 3 TLC plate here.
Now we are crushing few leaves with the help of mortar pestle and we have added ethanol in it. Now we are crushing it. Now we will filter the contents of mortar pestle. The drop of green leaf pigment with the help of capillary tube on the TLC plate 2 cm above and in the center. Now we are preparing developing solvent containing alcohol and water in 1 ratio. TLC plate vertically straight in the glass jar and then we will cover it after with the lid. This point must be noted that the level of the solvent must remain below the leaf extract point. Now our developing solvent has reached the maximum level and the different components of the leaf extract have been separated. Then we will take out the chromatographic glass plate and let it dry for some time. We have to write down the experiment in our practical notebook as shown in the video. Aim, requirement, diagram on the plain page and procedure on the page having lines, calculation and the result as well on the plain page. In the calculation we have to calculate the RF value. For calculating RF value, the distance travelled by the component is divided by distance travelled by the solvent. So RF value of the pigment A we are calculating here. Distance travelled by the pigment A is 4.5 centimeter and the distance travelled by the solvent is 6.3 centimeter. So here we are writing it down. Distance travelled by the component A is 4.5 centimeter and the distance travelled by the solvent is 6.3 centimeter. So after dividing both these values, we got 0.71 as a result. RF value of pigment B is distance travelled by the component 5 centimeter and distance travelled by the solvent 6.3 centimeter. Result comes out to be 0.